Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about get method in a Playwright C Sharp. Okay. For complete your sessions I have completed. In case if you require any new topic, let me comment on my video and then you can I'll try to make that videos and I'll update for you. Okay. And here I'm going to take the same existing project folder which I have created previous. Okay, you can also use the same or you can create for new. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, now here the simple way how you can able to create a get method in our Playwright C Sharp. Get request purpose I'm using for this particular request. Okay, this is a sample endpoints you can able to search in a Google. You can able to get for the API any simple okay, you can hit get the response. Okay, and this way we can able to get it. Okay, now I'm going to validating only for response. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm not going to do. Okay, and here how you can able to implement. Okay, and here you can create one function. Paste public async task DC17. I'm going to use for get method. Okay, and here I'm going to creating the functional device. Okay, how we can able to create. Okay, and here the simplest way I'm going to create in. Okay, where sorry, where API request is equal to await playwright dot API request. Okay, a dot a new context, and inside that we need to give one new keyword. Okay, and that keyword after that I can give that API request new connection option. Okay, new context options. API request new context options. Okay, and braces and two curly braces, and then you can provide for semicolon end of that particular one. Okay, and here we can able to use for base URL. We can type that b, right, automatically it will provide for what all the things. If you want you can provide for base URL and extracted HTTP headers and credentials. If you want ignoring, and you can use, okay, storage path, anything you can able to use from that particular location. For here I'm going to use for base URL. Base URL, how you can declare, right, equal to, and here which is a HTTP request and request.in is there, right, up to here we can able to take it as a base URL. Okay, in this base URL we can able to pass it. Okay, now our base URL is ready. Then we need to use that get functionality to get that response body, right. For this again we need to use for await API request a dot, and here you can able to see delete async, get async, and you can able to see patch, post, put. These are the functions they are already declared in here. Okay, we can able to reuse. First, see the get async also we have that API request context get functionality. Get request return it response. The method will populate the request cookies from the context. Okay, and it will return format of cookies. Okay, and you can pass it here, and we need to pass for remaining URL which we have. Okay, I'm copying complete URL. I'm taking that particular one and passing here. Okay, and end of that semicolon, and this entire things will return for response, right. For that I'm going to create a variable called a response. Okay, this response we need to take and we need to print in our console to see that whether it is given correct or not. Okay, for this I'm going to do for if condition, and that response dot, sorry, response dot okay. If you want a status, you can take the status. Anything is fine. Okay, I'm taking as a okay. If it is okay, and I'm going to printing for console dot of right line. Okay, here I can able to pass the status. Just I'm printing for now. Okay, as of now I'm printing response dot status. Okay, you can see status text or test status, anything you can able to take. Okay, and also I'm going to print for my response body as well. Okay, the response body we need to display in our console. Okay, for this I'll do one thing, or directly also we can able to print, or we can create our own JSON response variable I have created, and just I'm taking for the response dot JSON async functionality. Okay, and console dot write line, and here I am passing for JSON body. Okay, and JSON response body to print in watch in our console location purpose. Okay, this is the simplest request. Okay, and I'm clicking here, and again I'm clicking to run for this particular specific get functionality. How to pass the headers and all I will show you in the later video session. Okay, see now it is passed. If I click here and see status code as 200, and it is passed for the values as well. Okay, see assertion and all we can able to see in the next video session. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.